Last bit on trains.
We've got some SDS.
SDS. Now, what I love about SDS is SDS is an Australian company, and they concentrate on Australian content.
That's right.
And the best of my knowledge is that they only do HO.
Hmm.
HO at Australian scale. Yeah?
That's right. All right, so what have we got here? I have got a NR59, Pacific National.
Pacific National.
So this one's DCC sound fitted. Although just by opening it, you won't be able to tell because it's all got to do with the chip that's inside.
Are you going to open that one?
Yeah, we'll take this one out. We should open that one, yeah? Let's have a good look at that one.
Why does
because,
it say cab end?
Because that's where the cab is.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay. Just making sure.
Just making sure. All right, this one looks pretty special.
This one looks really special. This is from an Australian artist. This one is done to Bessie Little. She did an art piece and they recreated that on this train.
That's right.
And have a look at it.
So
I want to say that it's Indigenous or Aboriginal art.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
On this train. Now, these trains were only produced, these NR class,
Just going to take the foam out of
from
here.
1996 to 1998.
Oh, really?
And they're very much in use now.
Right.
And you can actually see them, I believe, come through Spencer Street.
Right.
Doing haulage. Have a look at that beautiful artwork.
It's impressive, isn't it?
Is that done by hand?
No. This will be printed, and this is by a printing technology which is often called tampo printing.
Yes. What? So it's put on like a sticker.
Oh, it's if you can imagine a rubber stamp.
Yes.
Except it's super soft.
Yes.
And it gets the ink is printed onto a hard surface first.
Yes.
And then the rubber is pressed against that, and it transfers onto the rubber, and it's brought over here, and then transferred onto this. And because it's very soft, it covers every single shape here. So that's why it bends around curves and stuff.
Really?
Yeah. So it's a single print, just going straight down.
Bonk.
Bonk. That's right.
A lot easier than trying to paint it by hand.
Oh, for sure. And there's no way you can do that with decals this smoothly.
Not on that sort of surface, because there's not a flat surface there.
No, that's right. And imagine paying someone to do decals on that.
Oh, you do it for half the price.
Half of what price?
Well, that price.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Half a slab?
You did an Aston recently. It was nice.
Yeah, it was, wasn't it? Thank you for that. But look at it. So really fine
Handrail.
rails.
Don't even touch it.
Yeah, I'll try not to. That's why the foam's in there. See, I left the foam on this side.
Yeah.
Just to keep its shape.
I would have left
So
it
it won't
in
get...
there. Does cover up a lot of the artwork. But as far as I don't know, a freight train goes, it is bloody beautiful.
How good would that look going around the...
And it is
layout.
Australian content. If you're doing an outback layout, no, imagine that roaring around your track. That is absolutely beautiful. And
There
that
you go.
one there's a DC model. Well, what do the switches do?
I don't know. But that definitely looks like a speaker, doesn't it?
Well, at some versions. So you can get, again, different versions where they're chipped and speakered. So this is just a DC model.
That's right.
And that is SDS.
Yes.
HO.
Nice, aren't they?
And they're really cool.
I mean, this should be of particular interest to not just Australian models, but anyone that's watching from overseas, because they probably haven't seen anything like this.
They wouldn't have. I bet they wouldn't have.
All right, so that's back. All right, let's get this safely back inside. Doing the rapparoonie, mate. This is a bit like
a
making
sausage roll.
No, it's a bit like making spring rolls.
Is it? I wouldn't know.
Have you made spring rolls before?
Yeah, well,
Oh, I don't know what you just like eating them.
Yep. Rice paper roll.
You don't know what you're
It's
missing
almost
out
like
on.
the consistency of rice.
So this was
paper
the
roll.
other one. So we didn't actually look at this one, but let's just unfold this.
Too busy talking
This
about
is the
rice paper
Pacific
roll.
National.
Pacific.
Much simpler livery, but still cool nevertheless. Absolutely beautiful.
Aren't they?
All right. So
By the
there
Australian
are
company SDS.
SDS it is.
I love it.
And cab end is this way.
See, it's a very good.
There we go.
See?
Designed to fit perfectly.
And it's really good that they spend good money on their packaging, keeps it safe.
Yes.
Do train enthusiasts keep them in these?
Yeah. So
At home?
I would say so, because at the train show, everyone had these stacked up.
Did they?
Yeah.
I imagine for transport.
You can get larger transport boxes too, which we did have, and that's where it's a much larger box, and you put multiples in there, so you only have the one box to carry.
I think
But that's very safe, just doing it like that.
Rubik's World could be the ultimate.
Well, let's see if they fit. They would, wouldn't they?
They'll fit for sure.
Yeah.
They will fit for sure.
Yeah.
Look out for Brett's bag. Another.
There you go.